So hey guys, we have beautiful knotless 13 by 6 braided hairs that are ready for pickup. We are done with all of them here in the store, and we have 7 by 7 knotless braids as well. So if you're interested in any of these hairs, you can come and pick them up. It is not yet a wig, it's just a 13 by 6 frontal and then 7 by 7 closures. And then if you want us to make it as a wig for you, we are available for that. And if you just want us to, kind of like ventilate just the frontal for you, and you would want to braid on it yourself, we have it available as well, as I'll be showing you guys now. We can make this for you in whichever color you want. So you get them in black, brown, color 30, black, whichever color you want, and whichever style you want. Rox-T Styles got you covered. Thank you.